Well, it's been a long time since I've made some sourdough discard English muffins, but let's make some together. You are going to start off with 4 ounces of water. Make sure it's warm. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Go ahead and mix that together. Then you're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Now that it's foamy, we are going to add 4 ounces of milk. You can use any milk that you want. 100 grams of your sourdough discard, 360 grams of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and put it on your stand mixer. And then go ahead and start mixing on low, and then you can turn it to medium low. You're gonna knead for about 5 to 7 minutes, and if you need to adjust the flour, go ahead and do that. Now that this is done kneading, we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. And then grab your dough and go ahead and form it into a ball. Spray your bowl with some oil, add your dough back to it, and then cover and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. So now that it's time to shape our dough, we're gonna go ahead and get a baking sheet, and then I just cover it with some parchment paper. And then you're going to take some cornmeal and then just sprinkle this on top. And then mine is not that sticky, so I'm not gonna add any more flour. If you feel like your dough is really sticky, you can add some flour to your countertop. And then you're going to divide this into 8 to 12 pieces. It depends on how big you want your English muffins. Now that you have them all divided into your pieces, I did 10. I'm gonna go ahead and take it and pull all the ends down, roll it into a ball, and then press it down so you flatten it out. It's gonna look like that. And then you're going to place it on your baking pan. But I have them all done. And take your cornmeal and sprinkle it on the top. And then go ahead and cover and then let these rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my cast iron and I'm going to heat it up over low to medium. You do not want your cast iron too hot, otherwise you will burn your English muffins. Now that I have my cast iron warmed up, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cornmeal in here. Add 3 of your English muffins, and then place the lid on and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on this side. Now that it's been 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. And then place the lid and cook them for another 5 minutes. Now that they're done on this side, we're just gonna go ahead and remove them and place them on a cooling rack. And then go ahead and add your next ones. And you'll just repeat this until you have them all cooked.